So hello guys, we are yet here again for another session, this time for review tab. What is to review? Reviewing a document is changing or checking whether the document has the right spellings, the right grammar, the words are well understood, etc. So when you are doing the review, you ensure it's like proofreading to ensure that everything is right. So I have a document here that has different lines. For example, we have red lines showing wrong spelling. We have blue lines, those blue underlines are like this one. We have another one here showing poor grammar. So we want to ensure that the grammar is right and the spellings are right. So how do we go about it? We go to the review tab, proofing group, spelling and grammar. After clicking on spelling and grammar, this pane is giving you suggestions what you would have written or suggestions of the words that you can use to the poor grammar, etc. And we always ensure that the cursor is at the beginning of the document because you want the entire document checked. You want the grammar check for the entire document. So ensure that is at the document and then click on that. So the first word that is there is provides. Provides has been written, but it has a capital S. Right, I think no. So you have been given suggestions here. What do you do with the suggestions? Let us first of all understand these patterns. We have ignore. You ignore when you know the spelling. For example, if you are called Wambo, as an English name, so itakuwa like a misspelled word. So, and because you know the word is right, then you ignore. Then we have ignore all. You ignore all when you have that occurrence of the word Wamboi or the name Wamboi throughout the document. You have like 5 occurrences. You have many occurrences of the same name, and because you know it's right, then we have add. Adding to custom dictionary. You add to custom dictionary when you have that name Wamboi. Let me continue using it as an example. You have this name Wamboi and you will be writing it frequently. It's your name. You will be writing it frequent. So you don't want that occurrence ya kushinda ukiambiwa it is misspelled. So you add to your dictionary to your computer. So haitakuwa ukishinda ukiambiwa which is for example, what we have here is provides and we have a suggestion here. So you select. Then you have change all. We have seen the change all. Change all is when you know that this word wanaandika vibaya. For example, there are those who write the word differently in double F-I instead of double F-E. So if you know everywhere that you have typed that word or may type the wrong way, you change all the occurrences of that misspelled word. That is it. Then the next one we have the grammar here. We have a grammar error here. So for grammar, you reread the message. You reread the sentence so that you can know whether the suggestion you have been given is right. So you let us read the sentence. You can also type a keyboard to search online for the so you know it is for video. So they have not given us the right suggestion. So wewe ukisoma utakuwa ushaelewa what was missing. It is an O wewe unajirudishia. Then with the other one here you can add, so a suggestion also not well given, so but it is taking you to where an error is, so even yourself can check and realize what did I want to write na uweze kutengeneza. The other one here, you have been given a suggestion. This is a word work. Remember, you have been given many suggestions, so you choose the right one and then you change. Na tumesema kama you know all the occurrences that you have used that word, umetumia vibaya, unakuja hapo unasema change all. Then we have this one, so that is right. It is a capital letter that is missing, and you know we start a sentence with a capital letter, so you change. Then here there is space after a word, in between the word and the full stop, so inakuwa sio grammatically correct. And then we have this word that is misspelled. It is a double L instead of a single L. You change. Then we have the other one here, starting with for example, so it is at the beginning of the sentence, so you change. And you have that dialog box telling you that spelling and grammar check are complete, you are good to go, so your document is now good. So that is it. That is how you check spelling and grammar. Now I would like us, because the document was saved, I would like us change save the changed document again, so that we'll have the original that was having some grammatical errors, and we'll have the edited one that is proofread. So let us go to save. This time, are we going to use save or save as? It's not the changes we want to save, because if we save the changes, then tutakuwa na document moja. But now I want us to, because I want to use them somewhere else. So let us use save as, and then we want to save it kwa assignment. And then because that was video 1, let us have this as video 2, then we save. After saving, there is somewhere I want us use it. Where do I want us use it? I want us have it used here. Comparing the document, the original and the other one. For example, you might be, you are the original author of the document. Kuna kitu imefanyikia hiyo document. You want to see where did the changes happen. So you compare. You want to compare between video 1 and video 2. The two documents are open, so it is easy to choose them. Video 1 and video 2. And then we click on OK. Then you have been shown what has happened, that this word was cancelled and that this video was cancelled and video was written for the comparison of the two documents, and we are sure this is what happened. We are sure this is what happened because we have done it together. Then this word work was replaced, the misspelled word was replaced with a well spelled word. Then we have professionally being well written, and you have this word being started with a capital letter. So comparison is done that way. If someone had deleted something from your document, you can be able to tell if they changed. For example, it might be about figures, etc. Always cannot be done, for example, for those very sensitive documents. So that is it about changes, about comparing the changes that have been done to a document.